This is for the oil change, the oil filter element in the front of the engine on the Vino 125. It's located right down under that thing. There's a bracket. You can't see it in the video. There are two 10 millimeter, so you need a 10 millimeter socket for those two bolts. They are torqued at 6 foot-pounds. And then this guy is 7 foot-pounds, or sorry, I think it's 7 foot-pounds. Check the service manual for exact. It's a 12 millimeter socket you'll need for this guy. Oil drain pipe, and it goes down. You can actually remove the drain pipe with an Allen key from the housing, but I just took the whole thing out as one. There is a copper washer behind and in front under the banjo bolt. To get access to this, all you need to do is actually take off the one cover. I'm doing a lot more work on this. I have the carburetor off and a few other things. And then I wanted to film, so I took out the tray with the battery to put the camera there. And the orientation of the screen is just like this. This goes in the engine this way. And then I've also replaced the O-ring that goes around it in the housing. This one, it wasn't leaking. This thing actually had absolutely no oil leaks, but it's very hard and it is flat. And I feared that if I put this back on, it would start to leak. I actually replaced the screen. This one, I actually cleaned it with brake clean, but there's still some crud in it. Ignore the cat hair. But yeah, I replaced it. Anyways, there's also another screen underneath. That's the one you usually clean with an oil change, an oil drain, but this one is the one that's hard to access. And it's a pretty fine mesh screen, but mine actually had quite a bit of crud in it. So, yep.